Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you are notified when any new videos are uploaded, and do share this with your friends. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 0580 Variant 1-2 May-June 2018 from question number 17 onwards. Question number 17, we have been given a cuboid whose base area is 7 square centimeter and the volume of this cuboid is 21 cubic centimeter. Work out the total surface area. The reason they have given us volume is because they gave us length and width. They have not given us the height. We need to find the height. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Volume is 21, length is 7, width is 1, and we need to find the height. So 21 is equal to 7h. This is a multiply, move to the other side, divide. So our height is 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. To find the total surface area, we use the formula 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. It's not a very complicated formula, it may seem so. If you notice, you multiply length with width 2 times and then width with height. That's it. Now we are going to replace everything that we have. Length is 7 and width is 1 and height is 3. One second. This whole thing we'll put in the calculator to get 62 square centimeter. Question number 18. The diagram shows a rectangular playground ABCD. AB is 23.4 meters and AC is 35.1 meters. Calculate BC. Because it's a rectangular playground, we know that the angles at the corners are going to be 90 degrees. So you have this triangle here, ABC, and two sides have been given to you and you want to find the third side. In a case like this, we use the Pythagoras theorem. This is the Pythagoras theorem. A square plus B square is equal to C square. C is your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is your side opposite the right angle. So this is your right angle. What is your hypotenuse going to be? AC is your hypotenuse. Let's replace what we have. We want to find BC. So BC square plus 23.4 square is equal to 35.1 square. That is our hypotenuse. Therefore, BC square is equal to 35.1 square minus 23.4 square. No need to use a calculator now. This is a square. We need to find BC, so we are going to square root the answer. You can just directly put this in the calculator and get the answer. The answer is 26.16. If you wanted to round it to one decimal place, the number after the first decimal is more than 5. If you have 5 or more than 5, you add 1. So the answer will be 26.2. You could leave it as 26.16. It's fine. Question number 19. Frederick borrows $1,200 for 3 years at a rate of 5.6% per year compound interest. Work out the total amount he pays back at the end of the 3 years. Compound interest is a very common question, 3 marks. You need to know your formula, which is A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R over 100 N, where A is your amount, P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of years. So let's write down this. Sorry about that. This is our principal. This is N, the number of years. This is R, the rate of interest. So now we just plug in everything in our formula. P 1 plus R over 100 to the power of n. 1201 plus 5.6 over 100 to the power of 3. And we will get 1413.1. Because it is dollars, we don't leave it as 0.1. You have to write 0.10, or you could have written it as 1413. So that's our answer. Question number 20. A cylindrical glass has radius 3.6 centimeter and height 11 centimeter. It is filled with water. Calculate in cubic centimeters the volume of water it contains. To find the volume of a cylindrical shape, we use the formula pi r square h. R is the radius, which is 3.6, and h is the height, which is 11. So this is what we are going to put in the calculator. We'll get 447.865. Now you can round it to 2 decimal place, and the number here is 5, so add 1, and you will get 447.87 cubic centimeter. Part B, write your answer to part A in liters. 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Therefore, 447.87 cubic centimeter equals how many liter? We cross multiply. We will get 1000x is equal to 447.87 divided by 1000, and the answer is going to be 0.44787 liters. Next, the cost of hiring a car for 12 days is 167.90. The cost of hiring this car for the first day is 20.50. Work out the cost per day for the remaining 11 days. So from 167.90, first subtract 20.50. We'll get 147.40, and divide this by 11 because 11 days are remaining. And we will get $13.4. So write it $13.40. Question number 22. We have been given a table from Monday to Saturday, and this shows the number of customers in a restaurant on each day it is open during 1 week. Write down the day most customers came into the restaurant. So 94, that is on Friday. Be careful about this because many times students, they write the frequency instead of writing the data. Next one, calculate the mean number of customers per day. We add all of these numbers to find the mean. So 67 plus 75 plus 53 plus 94 plus 87, and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll get 74. So that's our mean. Next, find the range of the number of customers. What is the range? Range is the highest value minus the lowest value. So our highest value is 94 minus the lowest value, which is 53. That will be 41. So that is our range. Question number 23. We have been given a scatter diagram that shows the value in thousands of dollars of 8 houses in 1996 and the value of the same houses in 2016. In part A, one of these 8 houses had a value of $70,000 in 1996. Write down the value of this house in 2016. So $70,000 is here, and what is the corresponding value in 2016? 140. So the answer is 140. But remember, it is in thousands, so you have to write the triple zeros. Part B, the value of two more houses are shown in the table. In 1996 and in 2016, the changes have been given. So now we have to plot these values. So when it is $40,000 in 1996, in 2016, it is 80,000. 40,000 is here and 80 is here. And the other value was 80 in 1996 and 150 in 2016. So 80 here and 150 is going to be somewhere here. So we plotted the 2 points. Now see, on the scatter diagram, draw a line of best fit. So we will draw a line of best fit here. Try to put equal number of crosses on either side of the line. This is the line of best fit. Part D, another house had a value of 50,000 in 1996. Find an estimate of the value of this house in 2016. So 50,000 is here, and from the line of best fit, we can circle the point here. What is it? It's 90,000. If your answer is between 80,000 to 110,000, it will be accepted. Question number 24. Without using your calculator, work out the following. You must show all your working and give each answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So there's a subtraction sign here. We have to subtract the two fractions. Remember, if it's addition or a subtraction question of fractions, you need to have a common denominator. You have 2 over 3 here and 1 over 12. To make this the same as 12, you can multiply by 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. And the same number you multiply in the numerator. So you are going to get 2 multiplied by 4, 8. Minus 1, this is the minus 1. And because the denominator is common, you can write it as a single fraction. 8 minus 1 is 7 over 12. For the next part, this is a division. So for division, there's another rule that we need to apply. But before that, you have been given an mixed fraction. You have to change it to improper fraction. You multiply 7 by 3 and add the 3 on the top. So 7 multiplied by 3, 21, plus 3, 24 over 7. And this will be 4 multiplied by 14 plus 5, which is 61. And the denominator stays the same. This is the way you do it manually. But if you want to do it in the calculator, press Shift and the fraction button. You will get like this. Put this here, and this will give you the answer 24 over 7. Many children, when they are putting in the calculator, they use the fraction button 3 over 7 and they put a 3 in the front. This is a wrong method. You have to press Shift and then put in the values that are given. Now after this step, if it's a divide, write a multiply sign and the numbers after the divide sign, write the reciprocal of it or flip it over. Remember, it's a 3-mark question. We have to show some extra working. Now multiply the numerator. So 24 multiplied by 14 will give you 336. and then multiply the denominator. 7 multiplied by 61 will give you 427. Write it as a fraction in the calculator and you will get 48 over 61. I left some space in the middle. The reason I left it is we are going to write here divide. What number do we divide 336 by to get 48? So directly divide 336 divided by 48 and let's see what we get. 7. So just write that answer here and then you can erase this part out. So this is the answer that you got, but you have to also check, is it a proper or improper fraction? This is a proper fraction, so we leave it the way it is. If it is an improper fraction, you must change it into a mixed number. So we are done with this question. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope I've been able to help you. Do share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.